Modernization of Legacy Applications and Data, a comprehensive review on implementation challenges, effective strategies and best practices. By Sivakumar Ponusamy and Dinesh Iswararaj. Background and aims: the modernization of legacy computational systems in computer science is an area that has been changing for a long time. The available systems, often decades old, face challenges such as a lack of compatibility with newer technologies, scalability issues, security vulnerabilities, and high maintenance costs. As technology evolves rapidly, organizations find themselves at a crossroads to modernize these legacy systems or continue to pour resources into increasingly obsolete technology. This research offers an in-depth exploration of the hurdles organizations face during legacy application modernization. The investigation delves into the primary motivations behind modernization, delineates the associated challenges, and proposes viable strategies and best practices to mitigate these issues. Study design: this is a review article that synthesizes and critically assesses a broad array of sources relevant to legacy application modernization. It amalgamates insights from various studies, offering a comprehensive overview and analysis of existing literature to derive meaningful conclusions and recommendations. Through this approach, the article provides a holistic understanding of the challenges and strategies associated with modernizing legacy systems. Methodology: this global study was conducted over 8 years, from January 2016 to August 2023. This research uses a literature review to collect data. In the literature review process, a comprehensive array of data collection methods is strategically employed to ensure the acquisition of a diverse and pertinent body of knowledge concerning the challenges associated with modernizing legacy applications and the effective strategies and best practices to address them. Systematic reviews and meta-analysis give structured synthesis, while manual searches collect real-world case studies. Thematic analysis sorts findings, whereas data management arranges data, and the critical appraisal skills program evaluates the credibility of sources. This approach is an important starting point for modernizing legacy systems and developing effective policies and guidelines. Results: the research identifies business necessities and technological advancements as the predominant catalysts for modernization. Legacy application modernization is not just a technological necessity, it's a strategic endeavor that paves the way for a future-ready, sustainable, and efficient organization. It further elucidates the obstacles encountered by organizations during this transition, such as the intricacies of data migration, the complexity inherent in legacy systems, and issues related to user acceptance and integration. The investigation also delves into potential strategies and best practices to navigate these challenges, emphasizing the significance of selecting the right modernization approach. Conclusion: the existing research underscores that although the path to modernizing legacy applications has obstacles, they can be navigated successfully through astute planning, strategic decision-making, and adept execution. In doing so, organizations have the potential to metamorphose their dated systems into valuable tools that resonate with current business demands and the latest technological advancements. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.